HPE Discover is for you. It is where we unveil the latest innovations across our incredible portfolio to help you move even faster, think even bigger, and achieve new horizons.
The cross-pollination of AI capabilities between Mist and Aruba Central is going to accelerate the pace of AI operations in the industry.
All of this is really facilitated by the fact that we have an underlying platform. So now you can see the innovation engine starting to move faster and faster.
If we do this right together, the opportunity here is to build on the momentum that we've had, scale to larger transactions for you that are even more relevant for your end customers in growing your business.